Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see a Shopify affiliate program review. The Shopify affiliate program lets you earn money by referring new merchants to Shopify. You promote Shopify using your affiliate link, and when someone signs up for a paid plan, you earn a commission. You can earn up to $150 per referral who signs up for a paid plan. That's better than many SaaS affiliate programs. Shopify is one of the top names in e-commerce. Your audience is more likely to trust it and convert. Also, there is no cost to join the program. You just need to apply and get approved. Multiple promotion options. Promote through YouTube, blogs, courses, newsletter, or even private coaching. Shopify provides promotional materials, performance tracking, and partner support. However, it's not open to everyone. You need to show that you have a relevant audience, content, or marketing plan. Beginners might get rejected. Also, you only earn when users pick a paid plan, so free trial signups won't make you money. Many affiliates are promoting Shopify, so standing out requires a good content or SEO ads strategy. And finally, violating Shopify's brand or promotional rules can get you removed from the program. You can earn up to $180 or $50 per new paid sign-up based on planned higher tires is higher payouts. Payments made through PayPal, typically 2 to 3 weeks after conversion. So the Shopify affiliate program is one of the most rewarding affiliate programs for creators, bloggers, YouTubers, and marketers in the business e-commerce space. It's best for content creators with business audiences, YouTube channels, blogs, or social media focused on dropshipping, entrepreneurship, or online stores. But it's not ideal for new affiliates with no audience or niche content unrelated to e-commerce. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.